A simple square problem. 8585 squared minus 5151 squared is equal to what? Solution. At first, 8585 square means 8585 is equal to 1717 into 5 square minus 5151 square mean 1717 into 3 square. 1717 into 5 square mean 1717 square into 5 square minus 1717 square into 3 square. Then 1717 square common, 1717 square common is equal to 5 square minus 3 square. Then 1717 square into 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3. Here we can apply a rule: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 5 square is equal to a square minus 3 square is equal to b square. Then a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3. 5 plus 3, then 5 minus 3 is equal to 1717 square into 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 is equal to 1717 square into 8 into 2 is equal to 16 is equal to 1717 square into 4 square is equal to 1717 into 4 square is equal to 6868 square. So the final answer of this question, 8585 square minus 5151 square is equal to 6868 square.